ProCare Services performs some of the following steps to remediate mold in your home. To contain the mold spores during the cleanup, we set up a containment using 6mm fire retardant plastic and install a zipper so we can go in and out of the containment. To control the dust and mold spores inside the containment during cleanup, we place an air scrubber inside the containment to help capture the mold spores. We then remove the contaminated building materials and place them in a 6mm plastic bag so they can be safely removed from your house. After the contaminated items are removed, we HEPA sand all framing and structural items and prepare the area for a mold inspection by allowing the air scrubbers to run for 48 hours to capture as many mold spores as possible. Once the air scrubber has been running for 48 hours, we recommend that a certified mold inspector perform a post-test to make sure that the area is back to the normal ecology of the area. The testing usually involves taking samples inside the house with additional air samples taken outside the house and comparing them. Once we have received confirmation from the mold inspector to remove the containment, we can start putting your house back to where it was prior to your mold issue. Visit our website to print your coupon for $150 off ProCare Services mold remediation.